Categories help you to organize your resources in WorkShop. To create a category, choose the Views icon, Categories, then Category View. Choose Create Category, then enter a name. Let's call this Statement. Now return to the default view. For this, click Version Resources, then Resources View. Now let's add some resources to the category. We'll add the sample files for the statement theme. First, select the resources, then choose Add Category and select Statement. These icons indicate the resources have been added to a category. To filter the resource list, click the Categories column header and enter Statement here. Now the list shows all the resources in the Statement category. The funnel icon indicates the list is currently filtered. To remove the filter, choose the column header again, then choose Reset Filter. Now you see all the resources again.